इज़ दी आइसक्रीम. वियर्ड है पैकेजिंग, वियर्ड मतलब जो ग्रीन ग्रीन दिख रहा है मुझे सिर्फ ऐसा इतना अजीब लग रहा है. दिस इज़ दी आइसक्रीम. कलर इज़ लाइक पूरा लाइक फ्लोरेसेंट ग्रीन टाइप. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी इट. एंड देयर इज ऑब्वियसली चॉकलेट इन इट. मिंटी स्मेल आ ही रहा है. Honestly, it's not that bad. Actually, it's not tasting that I really like the flavor. So let's go ahead and make milkshake. Hopefully my mom likes it. I liked it because it's not that exactly like mint. एकदम mint नहीं आ रहा because there is chocolate involved. So chocolate is covering up for the mint flavor. So I would definitely give thumbs up for mint flavor. So let's go ahead and make milkshake and let's try it out.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. आप सभी को मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है. सो आई नो यू कैन सी मी ऑल डेक्ड अप बिकॉज आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर सम अदर वीडियो एंड नाउ आई एम obviously going to try some milkshake. It's not a normal milkshake. Normal as in the flavor is not normal. It's going to be mint chocolate milkshake. I know it sounds weird. It sounds weird to me as well. And there's a little tiny story to it because when I was in Dublin, I had this favorite place. It was favorite of my friends as well. I have two of my friends, like you know, every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, any of koi bhi day, we used to visit this Eddie's Rocket place, Eddie's Rocket, where you used to get, you know, good milkshakes. They were known for their pretty वंडरफुल मिल्क शेक्स जो कि इतने बड़े होते थे, यू नो, लिटरली 2 राउंड्स में यू हैव टू फिनिश, यू नो, 2 ग्लास भर के होता था वो मिल्क शेक. एंड इट वॉज वेरी यमी फिलिंग बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव मिल्क शेक यू कैन नॉट ईट समथिंग बिकॉज इट इतना हैवी और टेस्टी होता था. दे हैव वेराइटी ऑफ मिल्क शेक. As you can see, my ingredients are ready. It is very minimum ingredients. ज़्यादा ingredients नहीं चाहिए. Obviously, you cannot see sugar here because optional है. If you need more sweetness, you can add sugar. But we are going to add Hershey's chocolate syrup. So I think it's already very sweet. So my recommendation would be that don't add sugar. You see, taste for yourself and then depend. Starting off with the first main ingredients is obviously going to be Baskin Robbins mint milk chocolate chip ice cream. Next, this is some dark chocolate in chunks. Grated version also you can take, but I decided to keep it in chunks. This is little bit wet because I removed it from the freezer because it melt हो जाता है quickly. And this we obviously need chilled milk. This is not almost a glass. You can say 1 cup of milk for 1 glass of milkshake. I have taken 1 beaker, 1 measurements है इसमें, but we are not going to go as per the measurements. This is a beaker. I'm going to use a hand blender to make my milkshake. Obviously सबके पास hand blender नहीं होगा तो take help of your mother, take help of your mom and ask her कि मुझे ये blend करके देना mixer में. So she'll help you. Obviously she has the jugaad of everything. So I am going to use a hand blender mixer.
I am going to mess up my kitchen, which is not acceptable, and mom will throw me out from the kitchen and from the house also. So let's
move and let's start making our milkshake. Okay, first things first, we're gonna take a beaker, plastic beaker जो मेरे पास है. I am going to add 1 cup के आसपास होगा. Depends now like कितना you want to have. If you have more people, just roughly measure करके. I don't have accurate measurements because I am not following anyone's recipe. Add scoops of ice cream. Now again, that depends upon your preference, sweetness, but I would recommend add more because it's not that sweet overall. Because I'll be sharing it with mom. मैं अभी फ़िलहाल मुझे इतना ग्लास भर के नहीं पीना है. So obviously I'm going to add humongous scoops of mint ice cream. It's a unique flavor, guys. Try out the flavor because it's really nice. It's not that weird जितना मैंने assume किया था. It's not that weird, trust me. I don't know if you are in like weird flavors, but this is something इट्स नॉट दैट वियर्ड. मुझे ऐसा मिंट लगा था. आई एम एडिंग मोर बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट दैट स्वीटनेस राइट. तो वो आइसक्रीम से ही आने वाला है. आई हैव एडेड लाइक आई गेस 4 to 5 scoops of it. Not sure though. Okay, let's try out with this. Okay, फिर लास्ट में एंड में we will add on top as well. Okay, blend.
ग्रेट जॉब. अगर मेरे घर पे मिल्कशेक पीने आ रहे हो तो अंदाज़ा लगा लेना कि मुझे बनाने नहीं आता है. आई एम गुड एट एवरीथिंग एल्स बट आई एम ट्राइंग मिल्कशेक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो प्लीज डोंट जज गाइस. प्लीज डोंट जज मी.
Okay, next things next, we are going to take a glass in which you are going to serve you, yourself, your guest, your boyfriend, your whoever. Just take a glass and we are going to do some great design. I am going to use this chocolate Hershey's syrup. I have got this packet because we don't
buy the whole big bottle. मैं तो नहीं ख़त्म कर दूँगी इसमें डाल के उसमें डाल के. Mom is very particular when it comes to my diet. So now अभी मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐसा डिज़ाइन बनाऊँगी. I will pretend that I work in some good milkshake shop or something and I will just
So now that we have added the chocolate syrup to the glass, I am going to freeze this glass. Freeze this glass का मतलब है ये glass को I will keep it in the freezer for some time, like good 10-15 minutes, जब तक ये chocolate अच्छे से set नहीं हो जाता, and then we will add milkshake to it. So this is how a glass would look like when you have kept it in the freezer. Time keep it for like 1-2 minutes, not 15 minutes. मैंने ज़्यादा ही बोल दिया. Please don't believe me at times. Now I'm going to add this. One last scoop of ice cream on top, right? Some drizzle of my chocolate syrup on top and some choco chunks on top. That's it, and it looks amazing. It looks wonderful, appealing to me. You can go ahead and try this as well. Obviously ये tub थोड़ा expensive है of Baskin Robbins, but इसमें से I guess you can make 3 to 4 times milkshake, so it is worth it, because the same milkshake you would end up spending $200 to $250. So you can go ahead and make it yourself at home, some unique flavor. And if you like my videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be uploading some fun videos like this and many more videos. Please keep showering your love and endless blessings. Until then, bye bye.
chocolate milkshake which I just made, and already I took sip, but honestly it's a yay from my end. I definitely loved it. Chocolate थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Mom is definitely going to say कि बहुत sweet हो गया. the milkshake would be this has been best. Not taking just because मैंने बनाया है इसलिए. It is genuinely tasting good. नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं बोलती मुझे सेट की नहीं टेस्ट कर रहा अच्छा. But it's tasting really amazing. It has set layers. If you can see, there is like chocolate का layers already set हो गया है जो आइसक्रीम में था. Bottom is filled with the chocolate syrup. Bottom is filled with the chocolate syrup, and you see how amazing it looks. Please try it yourself. At least एक बार. बाहर पैसे डालने से तो अच्छा है कि one time investment, not one time. You get it and make it yourself at home. Weekend activity, family activity.